welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome. So today's video we're going to be trying Jamaican based snacks, or just basically snacks that Jamaicans have popularized that are located here in Jamaica. So I'm here with Nana Adventures, and we're going to be
N-A-N-A and you watch my videos.
Yeah, so you guys can search her up. I'm gonna link her video down below, of course. Her channel down below. Nana Adventures. Go over to her channel and watch her videos as well. So if you guys are interested in seeing these Jamaican snacks, maybe seeing stuff that you like, you don't like, what you want to try, stay tuned and let's begin.
Did you see the pop one?
Oh yes! Make sure you guys watch the
one that we did pop, and then I have to come out.
Sorry, the chickens are making so much noise. If you guys didn't see our Jamaican based drinks, we test and try all these Jamaican based drinks. So you guys go watch that video. I'm going to link it. It's really
Subscribe.
good.
And don't say boo.
Okay, so this is the big bag that we filled of snacks. I'm not even joking. Like, there's just so much snacks in here.
Look how much I do. Look.
Yeah, there's so much. So we're going to taste it.
Hiding everything.
Yeah. So this is the big, huge bag. We have it in our Dollarama bag.
Wait.
Always do reusable when you're shopping. Okay, why are you moving the table, bro? Anyway, so we're going to go. The first thing I want to try, of course, is bun and cheese. I just been craving bun and cheese. I already opened it. Why? We already had some, so it's open. We couldn't resist it. So we're going to try bun and cheese first.
I'm
going to put this bag behind Nana. We're going to try the bun and cheese. So this is, let me take it out of the bag, actually. So they gave it to us in this bag at the supermarket. I'd be like, no, don't give me no plastic bags. Give me reusable. Anyway, so this is the HTB spice bun. Let's see if you guys can see it back here. Comment down below if any of you guys know what HTB stands for. So this is spice bun.
Stands for chicken bar.
You guys haven't had bun and cheese yet. Chicken bar. You guys haven't had bun and cheese yet. Make sure you guys try it. I feel like everyone who's like Jamaican or into Jamaican culture had it. Now this was, I think, 120 something. Oh, it was $2.10. Anyway, so I paid $2.10 for this, and
I can't even do this thing.
This? Yeah, I'll do it with my dominant. And then we got cheese. I got like only just a small size.
I'm eating the bun.
Yeah, literally.
Just joking.
This was like $125. Yeah. Okay, so we're gonna try the bun and cheese. You want one slice? We're just gonna cut one slice, literally. Should we even review this? Because we know we're going to like this.
And let's begin.
There's one bun I do not recommend anyone buying. I cannot even remember the name. Wow. It tastes horrid. At this supermarket, our cashier was Brie. And we got 50 items. 50! And it came up to $1,917. I don't know if you guys can see
9,000.
I'm gonna keep the receipt so I can tell you guys how much everything was, like individually. Okay, so we're just gonna cut this. I have to take out my knife. So we're just gonna move this out the way first of all. Is that the cat's playing with my pants? The bun is soft to cut. These buns are moist all the time, and the cheese is tasty cheese. It's so good. Right, Nana? Best cheese I've ever had in my whole entire life. Best cheese. It's from like New Zealand though. But, like, you know, Jamaican people, like, love this off. I eat bun and cheese all year round, man. It's so good.
So good. I'm going to eat this cheese by itself.
One time I ate, that's not one time, all the time I'll eat. I'll just cut a big, huge thing. I'll cut a big, huge thing and eat it myself. 100 out of 100. Right?
No, give it 1,000.
So good, so good. Okay.
No, I'm not gonna eat it.
We gotta save our appetite for some the other things. Everything we eat, we'll just put it on that side of the thing. Okay. Next. Okay, so we have Bigfoot.
This is my favorite.
They're so good. Okay, we were eliminating these. These are from Trinidad.
Is this Trinidad?
Yeah, both of them.
I'm still eating this.
Yeah, these are good. 10 out of 10 would recommend. Okay, so this is eliminated, the Sol Danza, because it's not even Jamaican either.
Nasty. When I got had it in my school and I said, can I have one? And I said, and I pretend it tastes good. Just nasty.
What? Come, so we got the St. Marys banana chips. We all know this is Jamaican. But this one is cassava. This is cassava chips. It's not banana chips, and it's sour cream and onion. Jamaican people are the ones who popularized this, and people come to Jamaica to get these. So we're still gonna eat them. So we're gonna try cassava chips, and we're gonna try the St. Marys banana chips.
Oh, how about we do this?
Original.
So I eat some of mine, and then you eat some of mine, and I take some of yours.
The banana chips was $65, and this cassava chips was $92. Currently.
I touched it up though.
These are so good. Even though they're not Jamaican, these are good. I would recommend these. They're from Trinidad. This is from Central Costa Rica. But these are like 10 out of 10. I would recommend. Would want you to spend on those. Anna, you know how to open bags?
Yeah. Good luck.
It doesn't have a smell. These are kind of tough. But they're good. These are not the salted one. I like buying these salted banana chips. They taste like banana chips. They look like this.
My taste is tired.
Okay, so St. Marys cassava. I never had cassava. I don't think so. Did we? That's actually good. This is more in a chip form. This one more. You can tell it's bananas. But this one is in chips. And this one's in banana. Yeah, this is good. I'll give this an 8. And that banana chips are good, but I like getting the salted one. These.
That's bad.
So these are the butter cookies, coconut. What are you? Okay, so Nana gives the banana chips 10 out of 10. Okay, so this one here. So this is butter curse. I don't know. Someone correct me. I don't know what this brand is because I can't read the writing. Butter curse. Coconut cookies, artificial flavored.
They're really good.
So these are basically cookies. This one's coconut. This one is festival.
Real good.
And this one is butter. Okay, and it was like 3 for a certain price. So, oh, it's called Butter Kissed. They have it written nicely on here. Butter Kiss Cookies Paco, and that was 3 for $104. So that's really affordable. Okay, so let's try one of each. I think I like the coconut ones out of all of them.
These are really better.
Oh, I'm gonna start buying these. So Nana's trying the coconut one. I'm gonna try the festival.
I'm gonna put this together. Coconut and cow's milk.
Festival tastes like plain cookie, like a plain vanilla biscuit cookie, basically.
Milk and
It
coconut.
tastes butter. I feel like this is peanut butter. This one tastes more. This one just tastes a little bit more sweeter than this one. This one's the plain one. This one also tastes plain, but it's a little bit more sweeter. Okay, let's try.
Let's
try the coconut. You didn't even try. And this one tastes plain too, but it has a little bit of hints of coconut. Like you can taste the coconut in it, basically. So I give those like a 4 out of 10. They're okay. Ooh, let's try these. Okay, these ones are rough tops by Bermudez.
And these
Wait, is this Jamaican?
Is this Trinidad?
Yeah, both of them. Let's just take one each. Because we know, like, Jamaican people love this. I knew it. Because when I heard the brand Bermudez, I knew that was Jamaican. This one's good. And you have, like, raisins in these ones. The coconut drop. So this is rough top biscuits. Coconut drop. This has raisin in it. I like the raisin. It tastes so good. Do you like the raisin? And this one is the same brand, but I think this one's just plain. Is this ginger? Oh, no. Is this the plain one?
It's ginger, yeah. It tastes like ginger.
Yeah, it does. Oh, we bought this one too. Even though it's from Costa Rica. This was a lightly salted one.
This is from Costa Rica too.
Yeah, so we can't really review these ones. We have these ones, National. The brand National.
I like these ones.
Homemade, I can't pronounce it. This is a Jamaican brand, I can tell automatically by the brand name. And this is Duplex Sandwich Cookies. These are all from Jamaica. So Nana, show it.
Jamaica.
So this one's Sandwich Cookies. Ew, it's like chocolate with pink stuff in it.
Let me eat that one here.
No, it's like strawberry filling. They have strawberry. It's like chocolate.
That was like cheese.
Chocolate and then vanilla with strawberry filling. I don't like strawberry filling. It's so sweet. Tastes good. This is good. It's too sweet though. Okay, this one is the vanilla from National. This is another sandwich cookie. This one's vanilla. This tastes like plain regular vanilla cookies, but it has some seasoning on it. Okay, next we're gonna try this. I'll give this like a. I give all these cookies like a 4. They're good, but they're too sweet, so I have to give them a 5 out of 10. They're too sweet.
I mean, one piece of it.
Now we're doing peanut butter. Peanut butter. You like peanut butter? Nana's always getting peanut butter on a spoon, right? So these ones are the national sandwich cookie, and it's peanut butter. This one's too sweet. I don't like them. You like them?
No.
Let's just try the spicy Bigfoot. They're so good.
They're really good.
For today's video, comment down below what your favorite like Jamaican based snack is. Okay. If you want something similar to the list, give this video a thumbs up. Comment down below, and also let me know in the comments if you guys want me to do like an alcoholic taste testing of Jamaican like based drinks. So that's it for today's video. I hope you guys liked it, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Au revoir. Bye. But here's some more videos if you want to watch.